pressed on my spirit was keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You might have to slow down. You might have to pull over. But long as you are faced in the right direction and long as you keep going, you can get out of what you're in. You can get out the storm. What's up, y'all? I know somebody asked me, they was like, hey, why don't you record your backings? Today I officially ended phase 3, and so I'm on my own, but I don't, I'm not gonna say I'm uncomfortable. I have confidence for backing, but I don't want to add any more pressure to doing that, and I want it done like correct and not feel like, oh my goodness, I'm recording and doing all of that. And I just haven't gotten that spot right now. So but let me tell you about this backing. This backing has a dip at the dock. It's one of those docks that it goes down. First time ever docking in one. And I ain't have to adjust nothing. I went straight back and got in it. And that's because they got so much space. So I'm gonna give you guys a little view of what it looks like where I'm faced. So you have all that area in to set up and just pull back. So it was really simple. And I'm gonna show you in the mirror. Here it is. And you see the dip, how the dip is right there. You can see the slant of the sidewalk. But yeah, it went straight in. I was like, dang, this is like a 45-second, 30-second type of back. Boy, was very happy about that. Only thing I'm not happy today about is the rain. It keeps raining and raining and raining. I was up at 1 a.m. And I'm kind of finding my rhythm of when I want to drive. I know a lot of people don't like to drive at night. I'm not that person. I don't have a problem driving at night. Even when I drive my own car and I'm traveling, I'd rather start at night and then get into light. I don't like going into light and then going into darkness. I like starting in darkness and going to the light because I have something to look for. Did y'all catch that word? There is light at the end of the tunnel. Let me tell you something about these rainstorms. I've been having all these rainstorms. It seems like every time I have to pull out and start driving, it is always raining. But I never stop. Now, I slow down. I'm very cautious. And if it's just too bad, I would pull over. But there's a revelation behind that, y'all. Like, if you only knew what I've been going through to go through this process to get this job, man, I can't tell you how often it seems like I've been in a storm. Been in a storm with my finances, been in a storm. But when I tell you, when I stepped out on faith with this job, there's just things that have been moving. And I know it wasn't but nothing but God, like just moving. But I said the rainstorm, like I used to, like maybe the first 2 times I got a little fearful driving all these 18 tires. And I'm just like 18 tires on this pavement. And I was seeing trucks, they just blowing by. I'm just like, now I understand this got a lot of weight, but when you put physics together, this thing still can fly and move over. Probably more easier than a regular car because you got more control over it. Because this is a combination vehicle. You have this tractor. It's like you got 2 vehicles in one. But I don't know. What pressed on my spirit was keep going. Keep going. Keep going. You might have to slow down. You might have to pull over. But long as you are faced in the right direction and long as you keep going, you can get out of what you're in. You can get out the storm. So that's been like marinating in my spirit every time I get on the road and it's raining and I'm just like, oh God. But I have to push myself and say, keep going. Keep going. It be matter like 2-3 minutes. It clear up. I've had moments, y'all already know, like if you've been on the road traveling, you have those moments where you driving and then the sun just pop out of nowhere and the pavement's dry and all of that. And you just like, dang, okay, what's up? Where's the storm? And you don't see it anymore. But I just wanted to share that with y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. More content is coming. I kid you not, I will give you some driving content. I just had to get out of training to make sure I was good. But like I said, I just want to make sure I'm comfortable to add that extra, it's not pressure, but it's another thing to do. So I just want to make sure I'm good before, because I follow many YouTubers who are truckers, and it seems like almost sometimes at any cost they're recording. And I'm just like, nah, number one is safety, and I'm going to make sure I'm safe and I'm driving. I'm not going to be touching my phone. I don't touch my phone when I'm driving, and I don't want to start now. I do have a GoPro, so I plan to get a nice, good GoPro setup to get some things, to get some nice views, to get some driving footage. I plan to do that. But like I said, I just want to make sure I'm good, I'm comfortable, and I'm not doing something, or I'm not focused on getting content and I forget that my doors are open, or I forget that I left a lock on. So, but I'm gonna start doing some videos and give some insight of my journey and how's it going. Like I said, this is my journey. I don't know about everybody else's or whatever. And what I'm learning about trucking, there is many methods to do things. So it's not like there's only one way to do certain things. There's many ways. And based on where you come from and what your background is, you'll be more driven to do it that way. Me, I come from a maybe strategic. I'm strategic and order. I'm a Virgo. We like order, organization. That's me. So I like things to be done in order. And that's the way I do things. So me doing something out of order, I'm like, nah, that ain't gonna work. We gotta start over or whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to drop in and give you a video and say what's up. And somebody calling me. Say what's up and let y'all know that I am still on the journey. And I want to drop a video at least every other day. The goal is to get content every day, but I'm gonna try every other day. So stay tuned for more. And I pray and hope that you guys are having a blessed day. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday. All right, y'all. Talk to y'all later.